Hey, Papper people, beard or no beard with the use of CPAP? I'm gonna be honest with you. I don't like beards, and there's only one reason for that. It's when doing my PAP analysis with people through my website, AXG Sleep Diagnostics. My reasons are pure. You don't wanna advertise with me? Go to hell and die.
Oh, Scott Johnson, you're still on camera?
Just a little fun there, kiddos. Okay, when I'm doing my PAP analysis with dudes that have bushy beards, you know what? Not to exclude the gals, if you have a little hair on your chinny chin, this may apply to you as well. Anyone that has facial hair and uses a nasal or nasal pillow mask and has to tape their mouth because they have a mouth leak, you're gonna have a rough time sleeping well and taping if you have facial hair. Now, I'm a dude that grows some stubble. I'm talking more about that stubble. Now, if you have like that thin, wispy, kind of nasty looking hair, it's gross, it looks greasy, you're probably gonna be okay, right? You can walk around looking gross and greasy, no judgment.
Oh, Johnson, that kind of sounded a little judgy.
Well, it's not. So if you have like that thin hair, usually tape, regardless of whatever tape you use, it will typically lay down pretty well and keep a really good seal on your mouth. Should be no problem. Now, if you're a man like me, and you have a lot of stubble, that stubble really has a hard time, or tape has a really hard time grabbing onto that stubble. Then the longer it gets, the worse it gets. If you have a full-on bushed out beard, it's really not gonna fare well. I'm gonna say I've never really seen someone successfully tape with a full bushy beard, probably like 1 to 2 people. It's not a lot. So to me, the choice is pretty clear. This is just an opinion. I don't like to shave. I don't really like a beard, but I know I sleep better because my tape stays on better if I shave. So I tend to keep my beard, my facial hair, much lower now. Now, I have still quite the sexy chin. Oh. Now, most of you people sporting the giant beards have really weak chins. You look bad, you look terrible. I understand, you want to cover it up. I get it. Again, no judgment. But to be completely fair, you are gonna sleep better if you're able to keep your tape on. Now, you still have to be on the right pressure. The tape still has to be applied correctly. Tape product really matters. I have one here if you want to pay a lot of money for it. Yeah, PAP MD works really well. You also have cover roll stretch tape, works great. You also have things like kinesiology tape, also works great. Use whatever works for you, but with any of those, if you have a full-on beard, it's not gonna work well. I would love to hear from you. Do you think your tape adheres well with your facial hair? I've done several PAP analyses with people. Once they shave, they're like, yeah, you know what? You were right. I don't need my beard after all. Yeah, my wife thinks I look goofy. Sure, my girlfriend left me. Yeah, my dog started barking at me and even bit me, but I sleep a whole lot better. Now, the other thing you can do, if you're like, you know what, Jason, piss off. I actually don't care about it. I'm gonna have a beard, a big ass beard, because I'm a man. I'm gonna be honest with you. Real men grow disgusting chest hair. Get a look at that. Look at it. Look at it. Real men let their chest look like hell. But if you want to have facial hair, that's cool too, and you don't want to tape, there's great products you can get at cpapsupplies.com. Stick with me, this is relevant. You can use an F20 AirTouch mask. It's a full face mask. It uses memory foam for the liner. It really seals well with people with giant beards, does a great job. If you haven't tried it yet, you gotta try it. You can save a lot of money on it. Put it in your card and put in discount code LANKYSPRING. You're gonna save yourself 25% off that price, and you're gonna say, hot damn, that's a great price. If no matter what you do, you shave, you don't shave, you still sleep like crap, check out my website, axgsleepdiagnostics.com. Set up a PAP analysis with me. We'll take a look at your data, crack a few jokes, and put you on the right path. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Clean your stinky mask with some Mask Bright, available at Amazon. And time for an extra thick thanks, buddy, to my top level supporters, Doug Toombs, Jason Georgiades, Patricia Espelong, Stuart Hetherington, Alan Liu, Edward Steiner, and I'd like to say thank you also to these people, as well as those other people.
Up the ante, you get a shout out. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Barely even on screen, but still appreciate the support.